Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix display issues after an update in Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you're using Galaxy A17, A37 or A57 and you're facing any kind of display issue, like you might see on a green line here, any dots on your screen, the screen is black from any surface. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, if you have just updated your phone, so I recommend you have to go to settings and here go to software update. You have to recheck for your software update because sometimes it might be due to any technical error. Your update is not completely installed on your phone and make glitches and errors on your phone. So I recommend you have to very first recheck for your updates. You have to make sure that you have a network connection to update your phone. And once you updated, your issue might have been fixed. But if it's still not fixed your issue, so you have a single way, you just have to make a force restart with your phone. Now for this, you have to press and hold the volume down and the power button at the same time for almost 15 seconds. So let's try this. You have to press and hold the volume down and power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes completely black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Samsung logo here. And once you get the Samsung logo, just release the buttons and wait for your phone until it restarts. So it will make a forced restart with your phone. A forced restart might take longer than usual. So you have to wait for a few seconds here. So once your phone has been completely restarted, I recommend you have to wait for almost 10 seconds. Your phone feels laggy for 10 to 15 seconds. And after that, you can normally use your phone without any issue like that. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.